Alright, we got our hair did. We sexied up. We ripped off our skirt. Just left it there. Whatever. So we won't need that again. Not where we're going. Where we're going, we don't need standards. We're going to try to seduce the sleazy owner of this club by dancing. Now, I hope I can pull this dancing off. And give it one more shot. Do you think it was forcing me not... Oh, yeah, it was because I wasn't hitting trigger. That's why it didn't work.
Yeah.
That was my fault.
I think if he had gotten it right, he still wouldn't have let you in, and then you would have had to go back and do it.
Yeah, probably. He'd be like, hey, Biff, go talk to that girl over there. Tell her she needs more makeup. Great moves. How about you put a little effort into your look? Here we go.
Dance.
Should have taken a bottle of
Oh, this time I have to use different moves. Oh, shit.
Oh.
They didn't...
Shit. Dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Work it, girl.
Whoa, he's
Work
noticing.
it. Oh.
Right when he looks.
Still embarrassing himself. Let's try it again.
Fraser, do it like you're fighting. Do it like you're fighting.
I know. I'm just getting into the rhythm.
Dance like you fight.
Dance like you're
her.
sexy.
Okay, ready? L1. Home. Thingy to the thing. And over there. And then back that way.
Yeah.
And over there.
Yeah.
And home.
Yeah.
And thing that way.
Oh.
And that way. And up. Yeah, baby.
Oh, you got him smiling. Oh,
Not
he's
gonna lie.
licking his
Oh, he's
lips.
licking. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
He's gonna
haven't-
push away the other girl.
licking
Oh,
his
he's gross.
lips
He's really
again.
gross.
I did that. I did that. I swear to God, I did that. Oh no, I did it opposite. Trigger and okay. We can do this. Get him licking his lips again. This is good practice. We've gotten really lucky with the game so far, having these modes right before. Okay. Man.
All right, Kirby's looking your way.
But yeah, not gonna lie, this is harder than fighting. It's
pretty
way
fast.
faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's licking them.
Yeah, move that
That's a nice
back
butt
up.
shake there.
Put that back
Oh,
up there.
God, he's gross. He's kind of getting up. He's thinking
See?
about getting up. Oh.
There
He's
you
calling the
go.
bouncer.
Hey, I got an erection, and it's all because of that one.
Get her to take care of it for me.
Tell her it's her fault.
Oh.
Rules are rules.
Hey, you!
Me? Oh! Fuck! I never expected to get it.
It's your lucky day, sweetheart. The boss wants to invite you to his table.
Sit on his lap.
Oh.
Hey, thanks for accepting my little invitation. You know around here, honey? I think I would have known you before. My name's Paco. Are you?
Madison.
Are you Paco too?
Madison.
From now on, you Paco. Paco likes Paco.
Paco likes Paco. Paco.
Maybe we can continue this conversation somewhere more private.
Oh.
Cool, baby.
I kind of like this guy.
Yeah.
He's a simple man with simple pleasures.
He leads a charmed life.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Well then.
First you get the dance club, then you get the bouncer, then you get the women. All right, let me through here. Okay, so I had no idea that this is actually how it works at dance clubs until we went to Vegas.
Yeah.
There was that fat guy pointing at girls and bringing them over, pouring them Grey Goose.
Yeah.
Straight Grey Goose.
Delicious.
And they didn't care.
Nope.
It tastes extra good when it's like $7 per shot or more.
Probably more.
Well, it's a little cheaper when you buy by the
Are we
bottle.
checking our gun again?
Talk to the gun, and I get out of there before I get into big trouble.
She told him
Everything's gonna be all right.
her real name.
Everything is
Oh,
gonna
did she?
be
Yeah.
all right.
Full name?
No, just Madison.
Okay, well that's
but
not a big deal.
You'd think she would have used something else.
Oh shit.
Welcome to my little kingdom.
I feel like this is kind of serious.
Oh, that's a sweet fish tank.
Sweet lamp too.
I don't want to fuck this up.
Oh, music.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take that. Just get in the way of the good things, sweet cheeks.
He's got a
But her
sword
gun's
on the
in
wall.
Sure. I might have to use that.
I think that's going to come into
So-
play.
Show me what you can do. Take it all.
She's got music with moans in
Take
it.
it all.
Okay.
I need a drink.
Zeke.
we just...
No, that's not gonna work. That's not what I meant by speak.
We don't need any more talking, baby. I'll talk down.
Bucko knows what he wants. I think that we should drink.
But what happened last time?
He won't do it. He's not a creep. That doctor was a creep.
A little
Yeah.
drink to break the ice.
Oh, we already broke the ice, Mama.
Oh.
Let's get wet. Come on. Do your thing, girl.
Just get naked and I don't know.
Why am I saying leave? No, I want to dance. What do I do here? They're giving me no other option.
I'm sorry. I think there's been a little misunderstanding.
They didn't give me any other option.
Yeah, what the hell?
Look, I'll just go.
Maybe this had
No
to
harm
happen.
done.
Yeah, I think
Maybe he's
it
gonna
did.
stop you.
Another time.
Uh-oh.
Jesus!
You are misunderstood.
Wow.
You know what? I'm kind of on Paco's side here.
Sorry to waste my
We really brought him here under false
It's now or
pretenses.
never. I never take never for an answer.
That's his motto.
Lesson learned, girls. Don't be a cock tease.
He's
Yeah.
the same as Bieber. He like J-beams. Never take never for an answer.
Oh,
All right.
dude,
what
are
do
you
we
gonna strip?
unbutton first?
Do it.
I guess we gotta. We got no choice.
Gotta.
Might as well enjoy it while you're here.
Yeah.
The lamp.
Lamp. If only I could find
With
something
your
to
hand.
grab it. Oh, I know.
Turn
Here
around
we
and
go.
show him your butt.
Oh. Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
You like that.
Little wink.
Dance it, Fraser.
Show him that butt.
There's my bum.
And
Baby, sweet case. You got it going on.
who looks that close at someone's butt?
Are you doing the motions?
Somebody says we could have seen more if we'd taken off more clothes before we said lamp.
Oh, damn.
Oh shit!
Shit.
I want to see more.
Should we reload? How much further back will it go if we reload?
I don't know, man.
Anybody?
Probably your last save.
People say reload. How far back? Reload, reload, reload. I think the consensus is we reload.
Okay.
This is the only stripping scene in the game.
Yeah, we should really take it as far as we can.
Plus, I'm not reloading because I fucked up like a mission or anything. That's kind of my rule, is that I do everything first try. But
Can you load from here?
no, you have to go back to the main menu. And you have to load a chapter, I think. Here, let's see. Yes.
But we've already seen her naked.
Not stripping.
Not dancing.
Come on, guys.
Are you against this, Becky?
Nope.
Oh.
Just saying what the
You're
chat's
just passing
saying.
on what
Yeah.
they're saying. Okay. Because I was about to
I
say.
thought I knew you, Chad.
I thought I knew Becky. All right, sexy girl,
All right,
back in. Am I gonna have to redo?
probably. We can do it quick.
We can do it quick.
Yeah.
It won't take me too long.
Blow through it.
In the meanwhile, we can hang out with the chat.
Hi, chat.
God, it's getting hot in here with this light.
One light. Does
Pride saved trophy. What? But
it. Pride saved.
what? We gotta. Hey, we unlocked the trophy for not taking off all our clothes, even though I just reloaded right away.
Nice. Now we're gonna get both trophies.
Yeah.
Weird.
Nice.
Nice.
Best of both worlds.
Nice.
Perfect.
Ah, sweetness. Right here.
Cool.
Right here.
Nice.
All right.
All right.
So,
Let's get naked.
welcome to my little kingdom.
All right. So we saved our pride this time. We're throwing our pride to the wind. Fuck that shit. Who needs pride?
I want to feel shame.
Just get in the way of good things, sweet cheeks.
Yeah, Mr. Paco, make me shameful. Slut Simulator 2012.
Show me what you can do.
All right, here we go.
Take it off.
I want to turn on this kind of music to set the mood
Take it all.
sometime.
Oh. Except it's gonna be my voice. Oh yeah. Oh.
I think there's been a little misunderstanding. Look, I'll just go. No harm done. Another time.
Oh, Baco wants your taco.
Did somebody say that?
Yes.
How did I miss that?
Oh, that's horrible.
I think I've been saying it for a while. Too.
K-Shade says it should be my bird voice. Ah! Fuck! Oh, that gets me in the mood! Oh! Bird pussy! Alright, here we go.
You dance.
We're gonna start.
Clothes off. Oh.
We're gonna start with this.
Yeah.
Because that's what we didn't do.
He's so gross.
Gross men need sexy times too.
I'm disgusted.
I'll puke if he so much as touches me.
Maybe he's into that.
What else? Do we have any? What time is it?
Do what it takes, man. Play for time.
Do what it takes.
Hey, fuck! Paco, come on,
Come on.
man!
I'm doing the things. Oh,
I'm doing all the things. This episode will scar little girls. I hope little girls aren't watching. They shouldn't be, honestly.
Idea?
What's a call?
no, that's like call. Call out, like, ah!
Ah! Paco, it's good to see my taco!
So if you just keep waiting, like, are you doing nothing and he keeps telling you to take more?
Yeah. Yeah. How much further is he gonna make us go?
Idea.
But wait.
Hold on.
Paco's got the gun again.
More. Oh.
Yeah, and then lamp.
Alright. I think that's as far as we go, because they're not gonna go further than this, right?
I don't think so. Ow,
I
what's
don't
that
know.
from?
Maybe we should see.
That's from the fucking doctor.
Yeah.
Did that.
Yeah.
Do lamp after this. Now lamp.
Do the lamp.
The lamp.
Yeah.
If only I could find some way to grab it. Oh, I know.
Alright, so...
There we go. Sexy times.
Turn around. Slowly.
Oh, wink.
I
And
missed that last one too.
wiggle my butt a little.
Wiggle that butt.
Kinda wish we left her top on.
Baby
Yeah.
sweet case.
Prude.
Don't leave too much to the imagination.
Oh.
Yeah!
Bam!
Oh! Paco goes down! What up?
Paco. It
That's
wasn't
what I
meant to
call
be.
Kick in the butt.
We
You
didn't
go,
get
girl.
any answers.
That's it? I thought I was gonna have a fight scene.
Yeah. Oh, maybe you're gonna time up. Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Act 2. Let's hear Loverboy sing.
Make him strip for you.
Yeah.
Yeah! Paco's time to show me his taco.
Yup. A little something for the ladies.
My taco. It's in the kitchen.
You're gonna have to make him talk by killing his fish one by one.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
No, my innocent fish.
Wake up time. I hope I didn't whack him too hard.
Yeah, sword.
I'm just looking to see if I can grab anything before we start. I feel like I should prepare.
What does that say
Well, you know what?
on the floor?
What?
Those letters.
Hard.
I think there's another one.
Hard.
Hard. Oh, Paco. All right.
Can boot his.
We're going to be back after this with more Video Games Awesome Live. Heavy Rain continues.